Suryoham, Suryoham, Suryoham.
Suryaham Guruji. Guruji, I have one more question about science and spirituality. What is the difference between both?
Okay, science and spirituality.
Correct.
See, the present science, they are investigating the
Correct.
outer world,
Correct.
more on space, more on galaxies, more on supernovas, aliens, more about what's inside moon, sun, Mars. So it's a outer journey. Spirituality, it's more on inward.
Oh.
One is the outer electromagnetic field,
Mm-hmm.
the other one is the inner electromagnetic field.
Okay.
So science goes North Pole, spirituality goes South Pole.
Mm-hmm.
This is the present status, 2021, 2021,
Mm-hmm.
present. But in a few years, maybe 27, 28, science and spirituality going to club together.
Okay. So, what are the benefit if clubbed together?
Okay. So the real spirituality is not in the Western religious fundas. It is not there much.
Correct.
It is more on, say, like science, superficial.
Correct.
And it's like more ritualistic and more unorganized. This worldly possessions they have. But the Eastern philosophy, more on philosophy of this Bharat, that's totally different.
Mm-hmm.
Both are connected. All are connected with Helios, Surya.
Yes, correct.
But the Eastern philosophy more deeper. It is more not on dualistic, not on Advaita. It is more on Advaita. It is more and more advanced. So we give importance to the self consciousness. It's Aham Brahmasmi. But the Semitic believers, what they say, they don't believe in self or they don't believe in realization or enlightenment. That is nothing there. Of course, it is there with the Sufis, 2%, Gnostics,
Mm-hmm.
Kabbalah, Zen, it's only 2%. But here in the Vedantist, most of the Bharat philosophers are Vedantist.
Mm-hmm.
And the God concept is totally different from the Western and the Eastern.
Mm-hmm.
So the real spirituality, the core of spirituality is here, not there. It's here. That's why all those religious groups are coming here in search of truth. Truth is here.
Correct.
It's a fact. And when you go deeper in spirituality, like these 5 elements, 5 sense organs, prana, mind, then the consciousness or soul, finally nothingness.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing when the science goes from here, from this materialistic world to the space, galaxies, black hole.
Mm-hmm.
When you go deeper into the black hole, it's a white hole. And finally, science will realize, explore this world originate from nothingness, consciousness. It's already there. A few years before, some research scholars from Arizona University, US, they mentioned, it is very interesting, God is quantum of consciousness. Same what we have mentioned. Some thousands and 10,000 years before, thousands and millions of years before, we have mentioned Bharat. God is pure consciousness, nothingness. Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purna'at Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. So there is actually, God is not a commodity or an alien or a super being with a remote control to rule the world, to control the world. That is the basic. And finally, the entire universe created not by God, it's by consciousness, self-intelligence.
Okay.
So that is spirituality. Spirituality is more with spirit. Spirit or soul is matterless nothingness.
Okay.
And science is there in spirituality. Spirituality is there in science. But the present research scholars, they have divided science and spirituality into two. Religion is different. Religion is totally an outer cover.
Mhm.
For example, this is religion.
Correct.
Inside
Only one word.
water, that is spirituality. From religion, you
Okay.
can drink water.
Okay.
But don't give importance to this. Give importance to this.
Correct.
So religion is the outer core. Spirituality is the nectar.
Mm-hmm.
You can drink this outer.
Correct.
So nowadays people are giving more importance to religion. And I am religious. It is absolutely pathetic and fanatic and mental turbulence. So 2028, your mobile phones are going to be out. Smartphones are going to be out.
Mm-hmm.
More on telepathic phones, mind reading,
Okay.
mind power.
Okay.
Already the scientists from US,
End to end point. Anywhere.
already they are researching more into Indian philosophy,
Oh.
Vedantic philosophy. They have realized it is not the Newton holy books that's hollow, unscientific, and it's baseless. And don't boost such. It won't work. And they are coming back to the Vedantist, coming back to the solar culture, coming back to the self and the consciousness and the freedom. That is going to be the ultimate. Because duplicate will be out from the world.
Oh.
So, at present, science is just wine and spirituality, the Ganga water.
Mm-hmm.
Both are different. People think that beings think like that. But both, then you think, pour Ganga water into wine and drink that. No. Wine means the spirit of conscious, spirit of Surya. Ganga is pure, it's energy. And a lot of upgrading programs and process the coming days.
Okay.
What I'm saying, see, the pandemic and all this type of disasters and catastrophes forced us to realize one thing: your money, your power, your connections, relationships, all things are, it's silly. You have to go, you have to strengthen your mind. All these things won't help, just a tiny virus. So we have to focus more on strengthening our mind mining programs, and
Like meditations.
meditation is not easy actually. It's a very tough game, tough circus. Like in Ashtanga Yoga, Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana. The seventh is a meditation. You can't meditate.
Correct. I try many times. When I sit and close my eyes, I coming only films and
You are daydreaming some females, no? Females or films?
films.
Oh, films. I thought you are thinking of some females.
No, films.
Oh, films.
Yeah, any pictures and any old stories
Okay.
about food, entertainment.
Oh. So now after this silver coin, you keep it? You
Yeah.
saw light and no thoughts.
No thoughts. Start around 1 minute, it was disturbing me. So after 1 minute, it started gradually reducing and I see the lights.
Wonderful. And you have developed this. Your guru is Surya.
Correct. You are my guru. Surya ji. Because you're friend of me, right? Surya is very far from me. I can't see also him.
So when you go to Mandya, what will happen?
No, see,
Then Surya will be very near. I will be very far.
no, I can't see Surya. At least more than 10 seconds. I can't see. I can see you, right? More than 1 hour.
But wherever you go, sun will be there.
Is there, but we can't see. But we can see the Guru that you are the Suryaji.
Surya is within you. Sun is within you. You realize that. Don't run behind the local human gurus. My
Okay.
Guru Dev, these. All this circus that I'm saying. It is all Kirish. The Guru will be within you. Be with that. All we are just messengers.
Correct.
This is a temporary adjustment for you.
Mm-hmm.
Finally, the Guru will be within you and stick with Surya. Surya is my Ram. I am Hanumanji. I am telling you, not me, Surya. Don't look at my finger. Look at Surya. Connect with that. It is a self-initiation program. And all the powers you have to get. Enlightenment. Like Surya. Yadha Guru hai tada Shishya.
Correct.
Do, behave, propagate, spread like Surya. Suryoham, Suryoham, Suryoham.
Surya.
You are Suryoham, Anil. Excellent. Suryoham.